For automation, if you want to develop your own scripts, learn Python. There are faster languages out there. There are more optimized languages out there. There are not languages out there with a better syntax, specifically for creating iterative loops, creating very, very small pieces of code that loop over individual things and loop over processing things. Python is the easiest syntax to learn, and it's multi-platform. So find a Python tutorial. Most of the good ones online are actually free. You don't have to do a lot with it. The issue is, though, learn syntax, and it's like learning a foreign language. Actually type lots of code. You are going to have errors. You're going to get frustrated. That's the whole point. You are learning. You're developing mental muscle memory in order to actually do code. Now, you can use an AI assistant. One that I really like, especially since they made a free version of it, is GitHub Copilot. The way I have things set up is I have my Visual Studio Code. I have it linked to my GitHub, and then I have GitHub Copilot on it. So if you're struggling with syntax on how do I make something just a very simple iterative loop over this variable and this variable, the AI assistants are very, very good at writing clean code. Now, they're not going to build your automated system for you from scratch, but if you say, okay, this is where all of my files that I need processed in this case are stored. This is where I want them all to go after they undergo this process and interact with this tool. How do I create a loop that will go through all of the file names, wait until they're processed through this tool, and then place them all in this done folder? As long as you break down the instructions very, very slowly for the Copilot programs, they will help you build out relatively complex code, error-free, and they will get the syntax correctly for you. It's basically spell check for programming. It's very, very helpful.